Over here is Dirty Harry loading up his Dirty Harry
38 special.
38 special. Show one of those bullets what they look like on the end. They're flat tipped. I've never seen one of those. What are they called? What are those flat tips called? Well, he'll think about it. I'm going to shoot this 22 here, 22 long rifle, and this is what I'm going to be. Here's the bullets for those. See, these have a round tip on them. You can see that. He'll think of the name of those flat tips.
Wad cutters.
Wad cutters, they were called. So what I'm going to do is show you this target down here at 50 yards. Might be a little shaky. Jog down here. I'm more of a rifleman. I'm a marksman with a rifle. But I suck at handguns. Always have, even as a kid. Now you can see what I got here earlier from the 50 yards right here. Look at that. Now I'm going to shoot at this target and show you. Alright. And again, this is the 50-yard mark. So let's go back and see what I can do. Alright, Dirty Harry. Here you go. Keep her rolling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, one of the world champion marksmen
with a rifle.
That's Mr. R.H.
Max Todd.
And Max Todd R.H. He's just amazing. You will learn so much from this man. It is unbelievable. Just, oh my God. It's sickening just to watch him. Amazing. Look at that.
One.
I guarantee you, well, you'll see the target here in a couple seconds. Watch that trigger pull. Oh, God.
Two.
Beautiful. Here.
3 to go.
Oh. And he's shooting at a whopping 50 yards. That's 150 feet. Half the length of a football field with a little 22. Just amazing, ladies and gentlemen.
That one went through the same hole.
Oh, well, what else do you expect? I expect from a world champion. Beautiful rifle, scope, the whole deal. Oh my. But he's been doing it for the last 50 years.
Yeah.
So.
No, actually what, since we were...
I wish Maxie boy was here. Hi, Max.
Maxie boy, this one's for you. Right here, buddy.
Love you. Can't wait to get you out here. All right, he's almost through, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Now, you will see the proof of the pudding.
All right, let's take a walk down here. We'll go from there. Get you down here, see what I did. Maxie boy is in school today. after the Easter break. Here we go. Look at that. 5 shots, 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not bad. All right, my friends. That's it for today of shooting with Max Todd. Over and out.